Trends in educational attainment and student achievement. Between 2000 and 2015, there was a demonstrable trend towards an improved level of educational qualifications amongst the general population, and amongst young people in particular. At the turn of the millennium, the proportion of 25 to 34-year-olds with less than an upper secondary educational qualification was considerably below the OECD average, and it continued to fall. In 2015, only 6% of 25 to 34-year-olds had below an upper secondary educational qualification. In the last 10 years, the proportion of people aged between 25 to 34 years who have attained a tertiary educational qualification has improved significantly compared to the average in OECD countries. The gap between Slovenia and the OECD average narrowed from 7% to only 1%. The attainment rate, which was below the EU average a decade ago, has overtaken the European average. The learning achievements of Slovenian students have also improved in recent years. The Trends in International Mathematics and Science Study, TIMSS 2015, ranked the performance of Slovenian 4th graders and 8th graders in these subjects above average relative to their peers from participating countries. Since 1995, when Slovenia first participated in the study, there has been a notable positive trend in performance. While the results in both fields were above average, the outcomes in natural sciences placed Slovenian basic school students among the most successful. 8th graders were top performers, together with East Asian students. One of the EU strategic targets in education aims to decrease the proportion of those who do not demonstrate basic skills in mathematics, science and reading. The latest results of the PISA study show that Slovenia has been successfully approaching the ET 2020 strategic target, while EU countries on average strayed from the set target, which aims to have less than 15% of low achievers. A comparison of PISA study data from 2012 and 2015 reveals a certain stability of outcomes in natural sciences and an increase in mathematical and reading skills amongst Slovenian students. In all three fields of literacy, Slovenian students performed above average in 2015. Particularly encouraging was the increase in reading skills, because reading literacy proved to be a weak spot for Slovenian students in previous cycles of the study, with their results below the OECD average in the past. The increase in average learning outcomes was influenced by an increase in the number of students with top results and a decrease in the number of students with poor results. Slovenia was the only country in the 2015 study to demonstrate those two positive trends simultaneously.